In this video, we will show you how to make a video on Canva. To make a video on Canva, it's very easy. First, we can open canva.com, and then to add or to creating a video, we can just select the video button here. If you don't have or you don't see this list, you can try to scroll here. Okay, so you can find the video. After that, in here, you can using predefined size of the video, or you can create custom size. And there are so many templates here. Okay, for example, we need to using the Instagram reel. We can just choose the Instagram reel, and to using the video from templates, you can just type on the template section here what the video theme you want. For example, for your inspiration, I like creating a video about nature. Okay, you can see. And for the nature, you can add one video. For example, we can add this or add this. Just click one video, for example, here. And after that, you can see the video added into your projects. You can click anywhere here, and you will see you can make the project timeline is bigger, or you can press Ctrl button on your keyboard with scrolling up and scrolling down to adjust the size of the video. So it will easier you to manage how the video looks like. Okay, how to edit the video? To edit the video, you need to go to this timeline. This is your main video here, okay? And this is, if you can see, this is the maybe the effect and the background, and this is the element, and after that this is also the element, and we can just make this bigger with scrolling up with press Ctrl on our keyboard, and we can directly edit like this. Never give up. For example, this is where data. Okay, you can delete any element that can be deleted, or you can edit the video. For example, you can add the video here. You can add from stock photo or stock video, or you can upload your own video here. For example, we need just to try using stock photo, and you can see there is many stock photo, or if you want, you can just upload using the media. Okay, for example, I have this video or this image, I mean. Okay, but I don't want this. We can just delete this here. Okay, to make the overlay video, for example, you want the image or you want add another video, please in above of your this background or video, you can just doing something look like this. For example, I add Naruto here, and you can see the Naruto place side of your base video. You can just drag to up, for example, like this, and you can make this using same length with your base video here. Now your video is covering your current or your base video here. We can just make this size, okay? Make this size is smaller like this. Oh, I'm sorry. We need to Ctrl+C. Just make sure to click this on your new image that you adding into your video. For example, here. Okay. After that, we can just make this smaller, and after all is done, you can export the video by clicking share button here, and just click download, and you can adjust the quality. For example, I let it by default for 1080p HD. Just click download, and we need the Canva to convert our video into the MP4. Okay, after that we can see our results. We will skip the video downloading process. After that, we can place our video here, for example. Then you can see we can preview our video. Okay, if you want to add the music of your video, it's very easy. You can just click this audio, and you can find the audio that you want to add. Okay, for example, here we can just drag and drop, look like this, and your music will be added here. Okay, this is the last tips, and that's all tutorial how to make a video on Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.